ये जो हर जगह में उसका चेहरा ढूंढने लगता हूँ, ये जो हर जगह में उसका चेहरा ढूंढने लगता हूँ, ये मेरी आदत नहीं तो क्या है, ये मेरी आदत नहीं तो क्या है, मैं सांस नहीं ले पाता हूँ उस बिन अब एक पल भी, ये मेरी इबादत नहीं तो क्या है।
So let's start, Dishang Sharma.
Sure, let's start.
How's your lockdown going?
Lockdown is good, very productive right now. Like, I'm doing stuff I would never do in my life. If it was a normal life, I would never do such things. For example, I am currently, spending a lot of time if I wake up at 10, I'm spending most of my time on the PC only, and I'm working on it. I'm working on my editings. One of our senior, Mr. Digvijay Singh, is teaching me how to create, how to design, and also working on some SEO, SMO stuff. So it's very productive right now. 2 videos निकाल चुका हूँ.
Yes, this is productive lockdown. It should be. Yes.
Yes.
So I want you to introduce to the audience which are new to you. So I want like such a short introduction of yours.
Well, as you all know by now, my name is Dishang Sharma, and I live in Jaipur only. And I will not say I'm a very talented writer, but yeah, I do try to write, and I have interest in poetry, I have interest in writing, I have interest in blogging, and I really want to become something one day. I am just a wannabe.
Okay, great. So how is your journey started? So like where it all has started?
Yeah, so basically, if you will talk about the journey, so yes. What happened is that everyone is doing something constantly throughout their life. I know you must also be having this thought in your mind from a very long time that you want to start something like this, and this lockdown gave you a start, and that's what happened. I was writing, and I was a very active child in school. I used to dance, I used to participate, I used to anchor a few assemblies. I was the head boy for my assemblies. So, and what happened is when it came to writing, I started around 9th. Okay, but at that time we were immature. So what do we used to do? We were used to create lingos, create 2-liners, and just for fun. कि किसी के साथ किसी का राइम जोड़ दिया तो वो राइम हो गया. वो वैसे करते थे. उसके बाद in 11th you have to give farewell to your seniors, right? So I was in charge of making titles for the seniors. So I made titles for them. In 12th we gave the same thing to teachers on Teachers Day. So उनके titles, so writing was there somewhere. And then in college I remember in my first year there was a college fest of what's his name, that university behind us, the Gyan Vihar was having their क्या नाम है, they were having their fest, and I gave my name as a stand-up comedian there. And तो सब अच्छे कुछ right, तो इस वजह से I wrote that material and I went there, and you won't believe that was my first performance as a stand-up comedian, and then it was the first performance and I got the first prize, and I still have that 300 rupees check in my drawer somewhere. At that time I didn't have any bank account, and then later on during the E-week, our college holds E-week, right? So I met one of our seniors, Mr. Lalit Jorwal. Everything I am right now goes to that guy. He took me to my first open mic. That is the Unheard video that you all know. Desi Love describes so well, and he took me there. Yes, he took me there, and even I have not returned his money of the registration for that open mic till now. Okay, so he took me there, and it was, मतलब मैं तो ऐसे ही गया था यार कि ठीक है, लाइन कर लिया, चले जाएंगे. And later on, after 2 months, Unheard ने वो वीडियो डाला, वो उन्होंने डाला अपने फेसबुक पे, और मेरे को मेरे दूर के सीनियर ने मेरे को उसमें टैग किया था. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं था कि उन्होंने वीडियो डाला है या कुछ हुआ है, और जब मेरे को टैग किया था मैंने वीडियो डाला, मैंने कहा ओह, this has happened, and that video already has around 400k views or something. So that was a very big deal for me. That was so that's how I thought that I should go on this path.
Okay, amazing. So from there you got your passion. So like where you thought that this can be as a career, also,
well,
writing.
Yes, writing. We'll talk about writing also. So what happened is that I have never thought of making a career as a poet. See, that is just my passion. That's what I do. But I know for a fact that writing can change a lot for a person and for a society. And for that, we have to do something in our third year. That is the internship training period, right? We have to do something, and I don't have a clue about coding. I don't have a clue about coding. Being from a computer science background, this is very shameful to say, but I don't have a clue of coding. So I thought I was looking for something else, and then I realized that content writing is one of the very good scope. Like writing, for writing, just writing can give you a lot of recognition. So I started doing that. I wrote some blogs, and and writing blogs let me. Writing blogs told me that I can also make it as a career, and also there is a whole science behind it, that is digital marketing. You can do a lot with your content in digital marketing field, and digital marketing is currently the best sector right now. If you know, like for example, lockdown has shut down every company right now, but you don't see a decline in Facebook posts. You don't see a decline in content coming out. In fact, that is on hype right now. So that's how I started.
Okay. So as you told about the content writing, so what types of writing do you think that are most trend in the current scenario right now?
What types of writing, as in?
Other forms of writing.
There are blogs, there are daily blogs, there are columns in newspapers, there are columns in magazines, and there are Facebook post captions. It takes a lot of time to understand a particular customer, a particular post, a particular photograph, and then you have to improvise your content about that photograph only. You just can't write anything for any company, right? Like for example, if I have a company of let's say ice cream, so I just can't write anything this is the best and put it as a caption, because that's not how market works. You have to show something in your USP, and I am not even the owner of the market, but I have owner of the company, but I have to see what I need to convey, right? And a lot of way of writing, free blog sites are there. Medium is one of them, and many personal blogspot has been around for a decade now. So writing, and also people are still writing in their diaries. That is the one of the rawest form of art you can find.
Right. So, like in today's world, we are seeing like many youngsters are pursuing writing as a hobby. So, what do you think they should? There is need to start thinking writing as a career. So, what do you think about that?
Look, bro, if you don't have anything, and you have writing, then you have everything. You see, yes, for me, writing is everything. Like I can't do anything except writing. Being from a computer science engineer, I don't know a C about C++ or C. Okay, so I can do what I can do is I can write, and writing expresses me well. So if people are thinking that it is just a hobby, then it's a very big no from my side. It's not just a hobby. If you want to make a career in it, there are people, there are things, there are platforms that allow you to make a career in that.
Yes.
So it can be meaningful for you.
Yes, at present, like every hobby can be act as we can start every hobby as a career.
You see what has happened is social media has given everyone a platform. Everyone has a platform right now. What we are doing right now was impossible back then in 2002 or 2005. Right? A talk show meant a very big thing regarding you have to put up a lot of efforts, a lot of setup work, production work. But right now, what is just an Instagram live? All you need is an internet connection and 2 smartphones.
Yes.
Right. So social media has done everything for you. Now only thing remaining is that you have to take an initiative.
Great.
I'll tell you my example. If I'm continuously writing and I'm not putting it out, then it's of no good use for me. Right. And whereas if I am writing and I am putting it out at somewhere, then it might influence other people. It might be a good read for someone else as well. You see, at the end of the day, we all are just human beings, right? At the end of the day, we are all basic. Some things which are good for you might be good for me. But if you will not share that with me, then I'll not be able to, get the good out of that. And somewhere in that only, जो good आपने करा है वो आपका ही रह जाएगा, जो दुनिया तक को मिल सकता है. ठीक है? तो सोशल मीडिया ने हर आर्ट को एक फॉर्म दे दिया. तो आप कुछ भी करते हो यार, चाय पी लो, ट्रेंडिंग हो सकता है, तो आप तो फिर भी कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
Yes, I like the point. Like sharing is important. Sharing is very important in social media. Yes. So coming to our next questions, what do you think? What's that one thing that differentiates the good writer with an average writer?
Look, average writer, I don't think there is an average writer. For example, everyone is writing something. Everyone has a meaning about something, right? For example, if I'll tell you write 10 sentences about something, you'll write it whatever you feel about it or whatever you know about it, right? So it's just the level of knowledge that you have, and it's just the level of thinking that you have.
Yes.
The imagination, the creativity is what counts, and an average writer is that who has a low level of creativity but still pursuing that thing, you know.
Yes.
For example, if I tell you write 10 lines on cow, everyone will write up to five lines. Everyone will write up to 5 lines that it has 4 legs and tail. But after
Yes.
fifth point, you will have to search for things,
Great.
right?
Yes.
And if you're not able to search more things, then you are an average writer. And reading is always the answer. Read and you will start writing.
Okay, basically the data is also needed.
Yes.
Something about
Data and what kind of data you consume is a very big influence on your writing. For example, if I'm like, we'll take a real time example of voice local room only. If
Yes,
I'm
yes.
taking only the negative things in my head right now, if I'm studying, then obviously I'll write negative about that. And
Yes.
if I'm listening to only one side of the story, then obviously I'll write about the one side only. So that is what makes a difference.
Okay, yes. At the end of the day, it's all about vibe you are giving
Vibe,
to the
yes.
alright. And what are your thoughts?
Vibe, actually, I don't actually believe in the word called vibe. You see, vibe is just an excuse for people to say that I don't vibe with that guy, I don't have a vibe for this, I am not getting the vibe. You see, what is vibe? Vibe is whatever you feel. If I tell you a joke right now, if you are in the mood, you'll laugh. If it's not, then no. I can't say that the joke was good, but he didn't have the vibe. That's why he didn't laugh, right? It's all about good things. If your product is, if your product is appealing, then surely you'll be having the vibe.
Yes. That's it from the question answer round. I think we have covered all the aspect of writing in this session, and we will try to take more questions from the audience at the last of the session. So moving
Sure.
to our next round, that is talent round. So
Talent
I want
यार याद नहीं है मेरे को भाई कोई poem.
So you have to do that. There's the rule of this show. You have to show your talent. That's why you are chosen.
Okay. That's why I was chosen. Okay. So
So
कुछ लाइनें हैं जो मैंने लिखी थी.
yes, you can share.
जी हाँ, कुछ लाइनें हैं जो मैंने लिखी थी, और वो मैंने लिखी थी ऐसे ही, मतलब मोहब्बत के लिए लिखी थी. ठीक है.
Okay.
वो बातें ऐसी हो गई हैं कि आजकल का जो टाइम है उसमें आपको अपने प्यार का इजहार सिर्फ जिससे आप प्यार करते हो उससे नहीं, पूरी दुनिया से करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो उस तरह की बातें हैं कि उसे देखता हूँ जब मुस्कुराता हुआ तो अपना हर गम मैं उसकी मुस्कान में घोल देता हूँ. उसे देखता हूँ जब मुस्कुराता हुआ तो अपना हर गम मैं उसकी मुस्कान में घोल देता हूँ. लाख छुपाऊं मैं बातें इस दुनिया से, पर उसके आगे अपना हर राज मैं खोल देता हूँ. लाख छुपाऊं मैं बातें इस दुनिया से, पर उसके आगे अपना हर राज मैं खोल देता हूँ. उसकी गुस्ताखियों, उसकी बेबाकियों में इतना मशरूब हो जाता हूँ मैं अक्सर. उसकी बेबाकियों, उसकी गुस्ताखियों में इतना मशरूफ हो जाता हूँ मैं अक्सर. वो बातें जो किसी से नहीं कहनी होती है ना, मैं उससे वो बातें भी कह देता हूँ. ये जो हर जगह में उसका चेहरा ढूंढने लगता हूँ, ये मेरी आदत नहीं तो क्या है. मैं सांस नहीं ले पाता हूँ उस बिन अब एक पल भी, ये मेरी इबादत नहीं तो क्या है. तो ऐसे करके बहुत लंबा पीस है, ये पूरा नहीं याद है भाई.
नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया.
बाकी अगर इसको पूरा सुनना है तो वीडियो पड़ा है, यूट्यूब पे भी पड़ा है, इंस्टाग्राम पे भी पड़ा है, पहुंचो.
Like I would say to all the viewers, like this is a small chunk of the talent of Dishant. You can follow him like for more talking about the stories of someone and spreading positivity. So anything you want to, like, there's any feedback or something you want to share regarding the show?
Regarding the show, yeah, I first of all thank you very much that you called me to be a part of this show, and that too in the early starting. Like for example, if and I know for a fact that if you will keep doing it, it will soon become a big thing. This show,
Yeah.
because you are doing a talk show, but in a very different way, right? You are tapping those
Yes.
people who are actually unheard, right?
Yes.
And you are tapping those people who have some sort of success, but not enough to be relevant, but no less than a successful person. Okay, so this is going to be a huge success for you, and I wish you all the best.
Yes. I always think like small success is also a success.
Yes,
Basically, we have
every
to
success is a success.
earn that success also. So we have to celebrate that, and we have to spread something about that success, some sort of positivity. So let's end this session with a positive smile, and
Yes,
I
yes.
always wish you success for your future endeavors.
Same way.
Okay, so
ये तूने कंपनी से निकालते हैं तब वो वाली लाइन लिख दी सीधी सीधी.